This video is ACG 10 and 11. The title is Grammar Number 2, How to Form What Question in Cantonese. Format 1B. This format is also based on the basic sentence. For example, subject, verb, the question word, or the object. But in some case, we have to use different verbs in the question and in the answer. And we can also put the time indicator before the verb to show the tenses. Now we look at the example. 你回學校做什麼? Why are you going to school? This question is formed by two basic sentences, subject, verb, object, and we don't have to repeat the subject. So, another verb, question word. And the answer is 我回學校交功課. I go to school to hand in my homework. The answer has the same sentence structure as the question. Subject, verb, object, and don't have to repeat the subject. Another verb, answer. The subject of the answer is different from the question, and we use the answer to replace the question word. And the key point of this example is that we use different verbs in the question and the answer. We have learned about the time indicator, but I would like to remind you how to use it. Actually, the time indicator or the place indicator is combined with the basic sentence. For example, subject and then the time indicator, place indicator, verb, and then the object. So you can see that the time indicator or the place indicator is placed after the subject. We look at the example. This example is used to show the present moment. 你在, or you can say 正在做什麼? What are you doing? This question is based on the basic sentence, subject, and then the time indicator, verb, question word. And the answer is 我在寫信. I'm writing letter. Subject, time indicator, verb, and then the answer. We have changed the subject, and we also have different verbs in the question and the answer, and use the answer to replace the question word. And the main point of this example is that we use the time indicator to show what is the subject doing at the moment. This example is asking what were the subject doing. 你昨天做什麼? What were you doing yesterday? This question also based on the basic sentence, subject, time indicator, verb, question word. And the answer is 我昨天看了電影. I watched movie yesterday. Subject, time indicator, verb, and the answer. And you can also see that they have the different subjects and also have the different verbs to use in the question and the answer, and also use the answer to replace the question word. And the time indicator used in this example is to show the time of the past action. And you can also add the verb 了 after the verb to emphasize that this is a past action. This example is asking what will happen in the future. 你明天, and you can add another word 會 做什麼? What are you doing tomorrow? This question also based on the basic sentence, subject, time indicator, verb, question word. And the answer is 我 明天溫習歷史。I will study history tomorrow. Subject, time indicator, verb, and the answer. In this example, the time indicator is used to show the time of a future action. We have some examples from the lessons. The first one is conversation 2. 他們去郵局做什麼? Why did they go to post office? This question is also based on the basic sentence and combined with a place indicator. Subject, verb, place indicator, verb, and then the question word what. And the answer is 他們去郵局交費用. They went to post office to pay the bill. Subject, verb, place indicator, verb, and then the answer. And you can see that we use the answer to replace the question word what. And you may also find that we have used different verbs in the question and the answer. This example is from the conversation 2. 他們跟着會做什麼? What will they do after that? And this question is also formed by the basic sentence. Subject, time indicator, effort, verb, and the question word what. And the answer is 他們約了朋友茶聚. They have invited friends to have an afternoon tea. Subject, verb, and the answer. And you can see that we use different verbs in the question and the answer. And we also use the answer to replace the question word. And the time indicator in this example is used to show the time of a future action.